and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hey guys, Kevin Fatty here. I hope everyone is doing well. Right, first off, thank you for checking out the JV video for our next upcoming launch. This is going to be called the ARM System, Affiliate Results Maximized. And we're going live Tuesday, February the 20th at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. So important points, we've got $1,000 up in cash prizes and just up to 100% commission plus recurring inside this funnel. This is a product I've been working on for absolutely months, guys. And once you check out the JV page and the JV doc, you'll see basically it revolves around promoting some of our proven funnels. But there's so much more in it to that. You could say over the years, you could say going all the way back to Elite Group Revolution back in 2011, we've been creating funnels and systems like this. The last one we created was around 3 or 4 years ago, which was free affiliate funnels, and it worked out absolutely outstanding. The product has done over $50,000 in sales. More importantly, the product has delivered tens of thousands of leads to the customers using these funnels, and they've received tens of thousands of dollars in commission. So the only problem with that particular one, you could say, with free affiliate funnels, many of the products were created 3 or 4 years ago. With the ARM system, all the products that we've inside this have been created in the past 12 to 18 months and are just high converting. Warrior Plus deal of the day winner, 1,000 sales per launch, plus massive EPCs, and we're consistently just improving our funnels all the time. So these funnels in fact have done over basically $1 million in sales, and we've just given them, I'd say, one of the biggest feedback I got through the previous launches, especially free affiliate funnels, is we're giving them such high quality training to provide and build their list with. And the reason this works so well is when you provide high quality upfront, you're building a relationship, you're building trust. And then when you come along and you try and sell something, you come along and your conversions will be massively better. We've done this with affiliate marketing recently. We're making 100 to 300 sales per promotion. We know this system works, guys, and we're just handing it to other people to use. So there is so much more than the funnels with this. We'll get into the membership area in a minute, but basically we're going back to get 100% commission, get bumped to 100% commission. I've done this in previous launches. Affiliates absolutely love it. So all you need to do is make 25 sales in the first 48 hours and you'll get bumped to 100% commission on the front end for life. I'll be always watching the leaderboard. So as soon as I see you're even getting close to 25 sales, I will come along and bump you. You will not have to wait. So if you make 25 sales in the first 4 hours, I'll immediately bump you to 100% commission, and that will massively impact your earnings on this launch. So we also are putting up $1,000 in prize money. Absolutely no minimum sales required. You make 1 sale and you come first, you'll get $700. Second place, $200, and third place $100. So everything is coming together pretty nice, guys. We've got nearly 2 weeks to launch. The product is 90% complete. We've got the membership area here. You can see the training outline. It's got 6 different modules, over 20 training videos. We're covering free traffic, paid traffic, how to become a super affiliate, tracking, and then we have the advertising packages as well. This is the sales page. We're working on that consistently now, improving it, and it's going to be outstanding. And then we have the affiliate offer here as well. We're on Warrior Plus. We just need to get it approved. Don't worry about that. But you can request your affiliate link and get set up for this, guys. So this is Kevin Faddy, guys. It's going to be an outstanding launch. It's probably, hopefully, one of my best products that I've released. And we're going to smash 1,000+ sales. We're going to get Warrior Plus deal today. And I'd love you on board. So cheers. Have an awesome day. After 17 years studying the online market space with over $6 million generated from marketing funnels, I want to let you in on a secret. Owning a sales funnel isn't the magic bullet for online success. You're about to discover the secret to why 90% of marketers fail to build profitable sales funnels. More importantly, you'll find out not only to waste your time and hard-earned money doing the wrong things, and in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to reveal how you can get access to the exact same sales funnels that have generated $1,151,900.29 in revenue. The truth is, funnels don't sell a thing. And we'll see it all the time. These days, every single marketer has a funnel. Not every marketer is able to attract customers, generate sales, and build a successful online business. I consistently see marketers investing their time and spending money to build funnels, only to realize the landing pages don't convert into leads and the sales pages don't convert into sales. Whether your funnel will be a money printer or a complete flop is determined by a combination of things that have to be nailed to a T. Things like figuring out what to say to get your potential customer to buy, and saying the right things consistently across the entire funnel, and finally being able to craft powerful offers that can essentially close the deal, which is an art in itself. Plus all of the things that come in between, things like design, proper customer journey mapping, and so on. These things literally take years to learn. It took me almost a decade to figure out these things and develop a process for myself that I can follow to increase the chances of building a profitable funnel. The funnels I'm offering you today have generated over $1.1 million in revenue. For the first time ever, I'm pulling back the curtains and allowing you to access our high-performance marketing funnels. Introducing the ARM system. The goal of ARM is to provide you with hyper-effective marketing funnels and give you literally everything you need to be able to convert your traffic, grow a massive email list, and generate commission on demand, month after month. But not only that, I'm going to teach you how to become a super affiliate, providing you with the secrets to plan and promote any offer on any network in any niche. I'm going to give you access to 6 complete marketing funnels I've personally used to generate over $1.1 million with success. These funnels are literally soaked in behavioral science, sales psychology, human intel, and modern conversion strategies. And you're going to get access to everything. And when you get this right now, I'm also going to include video training and show you how to set up everything, as well as additional tools and resources that will help you get the best possible results. For a limited time only, you can get your hands on the ARM system at a massive discount. To lock in your discount, all you have to do is click the button below now. These methods have taken me over 10 years to figure out. And I don't want to toot my own horn, but these funnels is what I know, with over $6 million generated online. I know this can make a massive difference for you. And I'd like to give you a shortcut so you can reach the level of success you deserve, without having to put in the same sweat equity I had to spend thousands of dollars to get it right. And if you're unsure, keep in mind, I'm also going to take away all the risk by giving you a full 14 days so that you can test the system for yourself. If for any reason you don't think this is worth many times your investment, just send me an email and I'll give you a quick refund. You know this works. I've shown you the results this system generates. I've shown you the value. I've made it a no-brainer offer by giving you a no questions asked and money-back guarantee and added bonuses that are worth hundreds in real market value. All there's left for you to do is click the buy now button below this video right now. Seriously, it's decision time. You're at the crossroads right now, and the way I see it, you really have 2 different options. Your first option is do nothing, close this page without getting access to the ARM system, and stay exactly where you are right now. And I don't want that for you. See, getting access to the ARM system is not just about getting access to our proven $1.1 million funnels you can use as your own. It's a major benefit, but you'll also save a ton of time and money by tapping into the accumulated knowledge and wisdom instead of trying to figure out everything through trial and error. If that's you, just say yes right now. Click the button below before life gets in the way. Get access to the exact same funnels that are responsible for $1.1 million in sales. But please don't wait. The price is going up every sale, and if you wait and come back later, you'll end up paying way more for this money-making system. So click the button below now, lock in your copy, bonuses, and your discount while you still can. I'll see you inside the exclusive members area.